The Siletz tribes call this stretch of the Rogue River holy ground. And the ceremony surrounding the first salmon of the year is an ancient sacrament.
I know the history of this land, and I know my people were here, standing where we are. We're standing on their indelible footprints.
At 89, Agnes